Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are on our way up to Canada. Got Tim with me here. He came back for another season. Season two up in Canada. So his second trip up here. It's Zach and I's and Greg's probably, I think, about 7th or 8th trip up here, which is pretty awesome. Pretty awesome that we've been able to come up here and do this trip. But we are on our way up. Almost to our destination up here. Looking forward to shooting some ducks and geese and seeing a bunch of snow geese out in the fields the closer we get, so getting pretty pumped up. I'm gonna get up here, get organized, and get the scouting right away. Well guys, we just got here, got our stuff all unloaded and organized. Bunch of migrators flying behind us as we get here this afternoon, and we're excited to hunt. Anyway, we've seen thousands of birds fly over us now already within the first 20 minutes we've been here. So hopefully we got some fresh birds in the area. We are excited. Everyone's a little giddy. Look at here's the squawkers up there.
I don't even
Wow.
friends how easy.
Wow. But so we got demoted to the back right off the bat. Oh boy.
20. These Chevys got big cabs.
Oh man.
Short box.
Just going to do a lap to get our licenses, check out and see a bunch of these birds are piling in to some water here. Going to see what's going on with them. Do a little lap around. It's midday. Just see what's going on, get some things taken care of, and we're excited to get out scouting this afternoon. Well, Zach and I are out scouting this afternoon. We got drift along back there too. Going to find some birds. Keep you in the loop on what we find here. Well, you will see for sure. First scout of Canada 2023. Fingers crossed. Well guys, holy cow, what a night it's been. It's like pouring rain out right now. We are running around the countryside, making phone calls, knocking doors, leaving notes, and like nobody's around right now. It's kind of weird. A lot of stuff is harvested, so I'm not quite sure what's going on, but we just literally need to make contact with some people. We got a couple fields on in the morning, but yeah, kind of interesting evening here. Finding some decent stuff. We're just waiting for some phone calls back. We've been running around both trucks, kind of like chickens with our heads cut off, trying to get something secured down for the morning. So we got about an hour of daylight left. We're gonna see if we can make something happen. Well guys, we just got permission for a huge duck feed. There's some darks and snows up on the hill too, but just an absolute load of ducks here. It's hard to see. I'll try to switch to my other lens and get a little bit of video of the pond quick maybe, but we got some weather this morning. It's raining. Layman's pumped. So this morning paid off with scouting, and yeah, we are gonna go try to get on these ducks I think this afternoon. So We'll try to get a video quickly for you guys to see, but we're pumped to get this duck feed locked down, kind of in our territory that we hunted the first couple of years that we were up here. So some nice rolling hills and some terrain. So we are pretty pumped up. Well, the field this morning that we were going to hunt, it was raining all night. It was pretty wet. We figured for the first hunt of the trip that we'd just scout this morning, and we'd rather set up in the daylight if we were dealing with mud and stuff. But went out and scouted, found an awesome duck feed that we're going to hunt tomorrow morning. This afternoon on our way back in the town here, we checked on that field that we still have permission for today. And the geese were actually in it this morning. So we're gonna get everything all ready to go, make breakfast here, and probably head out to the field. It's kind of nasty weather this morning, raining and good wind. So we are gonna get set up, I think, for an afternoon snowshoot today, where we were originally gonna hunt this morning. So we're gonna get out there this afternoon, get set up, see what we can get into on the first hunt.
These are the killers. Take a snow feed and turn it into a duck smash.
All right, got our hide set up. Zach's gonna take the four-wheeler. Got our decoys set up behind us here. Bigger feed, bigger wad up towards the front. Birds are coming. They're flying like crazy. We're gonna get in, try to shoot some. Kill him. Nice boys.
I'd blast it. Just be ready to keep reloading.
Kill him.
That'll wait. Got more low ones coming behind.
Kill him. Tealy boppers! That was sick! Oh my god!
Oh, you gonna set a sick one out there?
Yeah.
Ain't much of a sneak. He's gonna just catch them. Kill him.
Nice bird.
Should we cut these three?
You wanna take the three or you wanna wait? Us? Yeah, let's wait. We'll kill the top.
We got the three and we got these up top now. Kill it.
Nice job, guys.
Yep.
Kill him.
Kill him. Oh, nice shot, Greg, on that one. 1, 2.
Shitting me?
Hell yeah, boys. The greenies in the field. That's sick.
Cut him.
Ooh, almost. Well, guys, we're picking away at them here this afternoon. Got about, let's see. We got about 16 snow geese and 12 green-winged teal.
In the field.
In the field in Canada. That's a first for all of us, that's for sure. We've never shot teal in the field, so we couldn't pass that up. But dozen teal, 16 snows, not a bad first hunt here. So we're gonna keep picking away at them. A little bit of a lull now, but getting some flocks to work pretty close. Not the best hide situation in the field. We need more grass and stuff to cover up the blinds because we don't have too much top cover today, but going pretty good. Not bad first hunt up here, that's for sure.
Yep.
Kill him.
Kill him.
Kill him.
3 on the move.
Kill him.
Kill it.
Well, guys, what an awesome first afternoon. Pretty awesome first hunt in general. We got 35 birds total, dozen teal and the rest snow geese. So worked out pretty good. We're gonna get things picked up in the light here, get back, clean birds, and get ready for our duck shoot in the morning, which could end up being a nice mixed bag hunt as well. So awesome first hunt here in Canada. We're gonna get the blinds picked up. So thanks for watching this video, guys. We appreciate the support. Be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and we will see you on the next video.